In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Farming Simulator 22 Crossplay. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to play Farming Simulator 22 Crossplay with your friends by first setting up a game. So everyone needs to select multiplayer from the home screen. When all of you go into the multiplayer tab, you will see plenty of options related to multiplayer. Join game, create game, and rent a dedicated servers are the methods that you can host and join a game on the cooperative mode. As you can see, you have to host a game. You can choose between creating a game for free or renting a dedicated server. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a game, but keep in mind that if the host cannot be online at all times and all of you want a dedicated server that is online 24/7, you can consider that option. It is paid, but you will get higher quality servers. Anyways, if you want to create a game, one of you has to select that option and you will be able to set up the parameters about the game. The most important setting is that you enable crossplay, so under the port and above internet connection, make sure that allow crossplay is set to on. Besides that, anything else can be left at the default or you can customize it to your own liking. Set up a game name that your friends are going to be using to join you, and you can set a password if you don't want any random people to join. As long as crossplay is allowed, your friends will be able to join you when they go back to the multiplayer tab and select join game. As long as the host is online and inside of the game, it is going to appear under the join multiplayer game session list. In there, your friends have to find a session and select it. If crossplay is enabled, everyone else will be able to join, and if a password was created, they will need to input that password. But as long as you set up the server through the Create Game tab, everyone else will be able to find a server and join together. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, you can try changing the hosts or making sure that all the settings are properly set up. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Farming Simulator 22 Crossplay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.